So this MiiCoffee Apex machine just came in, and I don't think it's a good quality. It's wobbly. Maybe it was damaged during the shipping, but I can't align it on the countertop, and my countertop has other coffee machine and it stands just fine. There is not option to adjust the height. The water tank also, you cannot close it. And the water also does not disperse evenly when you start the shot, and I'll show you from the group head. Look at that. You see how it is dispersed, not evenly. Now let's turn on the steam. You see there is always water shooting from those 3 holes. There is no continuous steam. You always get water into your milk. You can see it. So I expected a better quality unit. Maybe it's damaged, I don't know. Maybe the steam one doesn't work well, but this is it.